Imagine having a list of thousands of leads with their name, phone number, and other information. And the only way to reach out to them is manually calling them one by one individually. It takes a lot of effort and time as well. And if you hire someone to do that, it will take some money out of it, right? And obviously it is not a scalable process. You have to hire other humans or other staff or employees to do that, right? So what if I say in this AI era you can automate this task? You can use something like AI powered phone systems or AI callers to do all of these calls, and all of these calls will be personalized according to the information you give to the AI caller, right? So in this video I will show you how you can build an AI caller which can call your thousands of leads, right, and book appointments for you, right? Here is a quick demo. How does the AI caller sound?
Hi, Shivam. This is Anthony from EduSpark. How's your day going so far?
Yeah, my day is going pretty good. What is this all
That's
about?
great to hear. I am reaching out because we're helping schools like yours enhance learning with innovative tools like our EduVisual platform, which uses AR/VR modules.
So, if you're new to the channel and don't know who I am, myself Shivam, and I help businesses to implement this kind of AI callers into their business so that they can generate more revenue for their business without putting more efforts, right? So, in this video, I will use Retail AI to build the AI caller and make.com for other automations and Google Sheets as a lead list, right? So you can see that I build normal or usual lead list. So you can have literally thousands of leads here or 2000s of leads here, and you can call them without doing any manual work, right? So first of all I will show you the make scenario we are going to use, and then I will show you how you can build the AI caller. So first of all you need to build this automation in make.com. So what it will do, if you are familiar with make.com, it's pretty good. If you are not, don't worry, I will show you everything from scratch and how to set it up. So in this automation you can see I add something like Google Sheets search row module, then I add array aggregator, then the iterator, and HTTP request to do the calls, right, to do the outbound calls to each of the leads. Then I add Google Sheets update a row module to update the lead list, right? So first module is Google Sheets search rows. Then you need to select the spreadsheet ID, the sheet name, and then you need to add this filter. So in this filter you need to select status, and that should be equal to not called, right? And in limit you can put it like 100 of leads if you want to call 100 of leads, right? If you want to call maybe 500 leads, so you can put a limit of 500, right? One thing to note, retail offers 20 calls at a time, so you can call 20 people at a time. So I will put it to, because I only have this phone number. This is the one who is the valid phone number, which is the valid phone number, right? So I will set it to 2 so that you can see how the array aggregator aggregate all of the arrays or of the bundles, right? Now you need to add a array aggregator. In the source module you need to choose Google Sheets. Then you need to aggregate these fields: bundle order position, row number, name, phone number, and the company name. In this case I am using I put school name. Then you need to add a iterator which will iterate the array one by one and make those calls, right? Then you need to add a HTTP request. You can see it is blank because I want to show you how you can set this HTTP request from scratch, so that you don't have any worries or you don't face any kind of problems, right? And then you need to add another Google Sheet row where you need to choose your spreadsheet ID. let's choose let's choose the spreadsheet ID first. yeah, this one. And here you need to add select the sheet name, and in row number you need to map this from the iterator. It will map the row number here, and here in status you need to write called. So then hit OK. So this is you need to build, this is all you need to build here. If you want this blueprint, you can join my free Discord community. I share all of the resources there for free, right? So if you are a business owner and want to know how this type of AI caller can help you in your business, there is a link in the description. You can book a free one-to-one call with me, and I will share everything you want to know, right? So next thing, I want to show you how you can make this HTTP request, right? So for that you need to go to retail documentation, and after you go to retail documentation you will see something like create a phone call, right? So you can see we need the API key here and we need the body here, right? So first thing first, you need the API key from retail. So you need to go to retail, and in retail if you hit back you will see something like API keys. So you have to create a new API key, and then you need to copy the API key from here, and then you need to put the API key here. I am not showing the API key because I don't want to hide all of these things right now. So I will put something like test, so that I can show you how you can put it all of this in the make.com scenario. Then you need the phone number from which you want to do the calls. So you can buy a phone number from retail or Tulio and add it to your retail account, right? So I will say something like 1 2 3 4 5 6 for now. Then you need to have this thing. We will add this thing in the make.com scenario. That's why I will set it to test, right? So that we can add this thing in the make.com scenario and map all of the data there. So then you need the retail LLM dynamic variables which we want to use in the call. So you can see we have their name, their school name. You can have more information of their companies or any other current events to make the calls personalized, right? So here I will add name, uh, name and enter. So I will write it test here so that I can map all of the data in make.com, and then then hit enter, and then I will add another variable school name and enter. In this I also write test so that I can map all of the data in make.com, right? So this is all you need to do here. You need to copy and paste the API key from retail, from your retail account. You need to add the phone number from which you want to do the calls. Then you need to map all of these things. I will show you how to do that. So now I will show you how you can put all of this in the HTTP request to do the calls. So first of all you need the URL. You need to copy this URL, and after copying it you need to go to HTTP module. You need to paste the URL here. Then you need to choose the method as post. Then you need to add a header. In header you need to copy this authorization, right, and paste it here. Then you need to put the value which will be the bearer and the API key, right? So copy and paste it here. Then you don't need to do you can see you also need to add a header as content type, but as make.com already provide that, we don't need to add that, right? So you can choose body type raw and content type JSON application. And now you need the requested content. So you need to copy this data from here to here, right? That's all you need to do and paste it here. So you just need to clear it. Okay, let's, yeah, you just need to clear it, and you just need to go to this iterator part, and you need to grab this and put it in the middle of the, yeah, you have to put it like this way, so that you have to map this variable here like this way. Also clear it out and put the variable here, right? So in this way, you also need to put the phone number, which I don't want to show you. Okay, I will show you because it is not showing any value here. So let me show you how to do that also. So you need to clear it and put it in the middle of that, right? And you need the phone number, you need to add the phone number with the country code here, right? I hope you get it, right? So now I will show you how to set up the retail agent. You can see I already set up the retail agent, and if you wondering where you can have all of these prompts and templates, I already said that you can join my free Discord community and have everything, the templates, the blueprints, everything for free, right? So you can see I gave it a prompt first of all, you can see that, right? And mention the variables we are gonna use, right? And in this welcome message I defined a particular message. This is something like hello is this name. It will pull up all of the data from make.com, from school name, right? Then you need to add functions here. If you want to book appointments, you need to add check calendar availability and book on the calendar function. These two functions in my previous video I already shows how you can set these two functions a lot of time, so I will not gonna show this how you can set it up in this video, because I already shown in my previous video how to set it up from scratch, right? And you need to add something like end call to end the call, right? And in the knowledge base you can add the knowledge base here. I add the knowledge base in the prompt, you can do that also, right? In the speed settings it is pretty like the same, the default one. You can make some tweak and changes according to your use case, right? In the call settings I didn't okay, in the call settings I will change end call silence after maybe 1 minute. Max call duration like 10 minutes. I will set it up to like 10 minutes, right? And pause before speaking, the duration before the assistant starts speaking at the beginning of the call. You can make some tweak and changes here as you want. So you can see I add a post call analysis to determine if the lead is interested or not, right? Then there is security settings. You can change this if you are operating in health sector especially, right? Then you need to add a webhook here. I am going to show you what this does. So what this does, it will send all of the post call analysis and everything, the transcript, everything in this hook, which I set it up in make.com as a other scenario. You can see this is the scenario, right? So it will send all of the data, the analysis of the post call analysis, all of this in this webhook, and it will update our Google Sheets so that we can know if the lead is interested or not, the recording URL, the summary, call summary, right? We can have all of that from this agent level webhook URL, right? I hope you got it everything. You can I prefer to choose GPT-4o. You can choose any voice you want, and in this tutorial I choose the language as English, right? So you can see everything is set it up, and I will show you how it will call when I will run this scenario, right? So now I will run the scenario and show you how all of this sounds. You can see I am receiving a call, right? Let me, you can see I am receiving a call right now, right? Let's test it.
Hello, is this Shivam from Quantum?
Yeah, it is.
Hi, Shivam. This is Anthony from EduSpark. How's your day going so far?
Yeah, my day is going pretty good. What is this all
That's
about?
great to hear. I am reaching out because we're helping schools like yours enhance learning with innovative tools like our EduVisual platform, which uses AR, VR modules and hands-on science kits. These tools make learning more engaging and effective for students. Do you have a quick moment to chat?
Um, I think I am not interested.
I completely understand, Shivam. If it's all right, I'll share some details for you to review. You can let us know if anything changes. Thanks for your time and have a great day.
Yeah, bye. So you can see that everything works fine. You actually need to train the agent on the objections so that it can handle all of the objection. I show you how you can build this, but you need to train the agent on the objection. You need to provide all the objection you usually face in the prompts and the objection handling answers, or you can say replies. You need to train all of this in the agent so that it can perfectly work as a cold caller, right? So you can also see that it has updated the rows. It has showing me that in this lead is not interested, means it falls, right? Also you can hear the call clicking to this URL. Also it shows me a call summary. It's the AI agent Anthony from EduSpy reached to Shivam to discuss innovative learning tools for schools. Shivam expressed disinterest in the offer, and the agent agreed to send additional information for future consideration before ending the call, right? So you can see everything working perfectly, right?